In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload contacts in Insightly. Whether you're dealing with a few hundred or several thousand contacts, getting them into your CRM system quickly and accurately is crucial for maintaining efficient company operations. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Insightly and hit Enter. This will bring you to Insightly's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to pause this video, create one, and come back when you're ready to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's important to prepare your contact file before uploading. Make sure you have a CSV or vCard file ready with all the contact information you'll need to transfer. Double-check the file to ensure all the data is accurate and organized, because this will save you time and potential headaches later on. Let's go ahead and navigate to your profile menu, which you'll find at the top right corner of your dashboard. Hover over it with your cursor and, from the drop-down options, head to the Contacts section within Insightly. This is where you'll manage and upload your bulk contacts. Once you're in the Contacts section, look to your sidebar and click on Import Contacts. This is where the bulk upload begins. A prompt will appear asking you to select the file you want to upload. Locate your prepared CSV or vCard file and select it. It's essential to pick the correct file type to ensure a smooth transfer. The next step is in the Choose Action section, where you'll decide on your import strategy. Here, you have several options. First, you can opt to add new records, which will allow you to enter new contacts into your system and bypass any known duplicates automatically. Alternatively, you might want to update records that match the record ID in your file. Or, if you prefer, you could choose a combination of both, adding new contacts while also updating any existing ones that match your file information. As you proceed, you'll be asked to align the columns from your CSV file with the corresponding fields in Insightly. This is a critical step because any fields not mapped accurately will not be imported. So take a moment here to ensure your data aligns perfectly. Once everything looks good, hit Next to finalize your action and initiate the import process. Insightly will begin processing your file, and once the operation is complete, you'll be notified. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to bulk upload contacts into Insightly. By following these steps, you'll ensure your contact list is both comprehensive and up-to-date, making your business operations more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.